everyone, this is Jake here from Unturned Designs, and today I just wanted to talk about something about this channel, and yeah. So, what I want to know is that it's going to be new videos every day, so that means every day is going to be a new video about a new design, new weapon, so yeah. So which means on Monday it's going to be a melee weapon, so every Monday I'm going to make a melee weapon design. Tuesday it's going to be a handgun, so I'm gonna make a handgun every Tuesday. I'm gonna make a handgun, and then Wednesday it's gonna be a rifle, so just a rifle. Thursday it's gonna be sniper. Friday a machine gun, and then Saturday it's gonna be a shotgun, and last Sunday we're gonna have an explosive weapon. So yeah, that's everything I want to talk about. So today it's Sunday, of course. So yeah, that means it's gonna be an explosive weapon. So let's jump right into creating an explosive weapon. Okay, so hello guys, here we are now at Paint. That's where I'll make all my weapon designs. Okay, so let's get started. So because it's Sunday, we're gonna make an explosive weapon at first. So I'm thinking about like, what should I make? I'm thinking like a grenade launcher. That would be cool. Yeah, I think we're gonna make a grenade launcher. So, oh well, we have to get the right color first. Right, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna make that. Let's just Okay, well, I'm sorry that everything is in French, just because it's a French computer, and yeah. So yeah, I can speak French a bit. So let's see. Okay, so I'm thinking let's just all about making a China lake. That would be cool. So let's start. Oh no. So let's make this thinner, and then China lakes, they always look like this huge thing there, and then what else? They have like this thing here, this, there. Let's see, or we just make our own kind of grenade. Oh, here, like that. Right, let's go. So you can put like grenades in there. And we're gonna get another here, there, and let's see. Let me get back to it. There. There you go. So let's see we're gonna hold it here. Let's grip. And what else? Here, where's gonna be the trigger? Let's see. We can make the trigger over here. There you go. Okay, so then make that trigger real nice. There you go. And you're gonna be like holding it in the back like that. Okay, so now let's see. We're just gonna, just to clarify, we are gonna write something down here to show that it's. Oh, whoa, what is happening? Oh, there you go. Okay, we're gonna make grenades. Oh, yeah. Grenade. Make it a bit smaller, about 15. Yes, that's just perfect. Grenade there. Okay. So that's written down there. We can go back here. Okay, so now it's color in. I'm thinking like this, like this a bit kind of woodish. And let's make this like gray. Yeah, it looks good. There. Let's see the sight. What color should we get? Okay, so this we have to make like a bright color. Make that like dark green. Yeah, dark green. Nice dark green. Let's see, somewhere around here. Oh, here, look. You like army green. There, I think that looks good, I think. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, well, we'll do that. Let's see. Okay, so now let's fill that in. Because it's all about the details, you know? There. 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 Okay. Oh. There. So, yeah, okay, now we have to fill this. Oh. A little darker. Okay, guys, I think this is about how it looks like. Let's make the ammunition now. Okay, so for the ammunition, I would like something. Well, let's see, it's gonna be 1. Let's see. Oh, let's know how many grenades are in there. Well, I think maybe like 4 of them in there. Oh. There. Oh, there's the black, of course. Otherwise, you won't see. Oh. Sorry. 4. Well, never mind. That's another idea. Oh. Oh, okay, I get it. Now it should work. Okay, there you go. Just that the keyboard is French, but it said it was in English, so that's a bit weird. There you go. Okay. So now we got that, and we can make the grenades. I think we're gonna be using this. Like that. It looks like a nice thing for a grenade. Oh, let's make like round. Let's make them the same color as that, of course. Let's see, there. And that we're gonna keep it in gray. Oh, that looks good. That looks very good. So it's gonna be like 4 of them in there. So yeah, that looks good actually. Okay, so now we have to. Oh hey, how's that? There. So and of course to get the unturned look, like color these in a bit. See what's the best color. Oh, definitely not that one. Okay, let's just get that back like that. Okay, I'm thinking about like that everything has its own separate color, so let's do that. There. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now that's this. And the grayish. Come on. No, it doesn't really work out. Well, it doesn't really matter actually. I mean, it's all about the design. Well, so yeah, guys, this is actually how our grenade launcher looks like. Yeah. So, let's see if we can make any more finishing touches to it. Let's see if we can make like, what else could we make? Oh, I think what was like, this is like opened. So this is going to be opening like, oh. This here is going to be open like this. You just put them in, just shove them in there. There. Yeah, I think we're about done actually. So, now we have one more thing to do, and that is the easiest one thing to do. And that is just simply giving it a name. So let's just descend it a bit so that we have more space. Then we're gonna fill that back in with some loot. Okay, so I am thinking about let's see. What about earthquake? Quake. Yeah, quake. Yeah, it's like a video game. I think earthquake sounds good. It sounds good to me. Okay, so let's just name it now. Let's make it bigger, of course. 84. Why did I say 84? What the hell? 48, I mean. Earthquake. I'm just gonna write it that way. There. think that looks good actually. There. So yeah, guys, this is our grenade launcher. This is the ammunition. So yeah, and of course make sure to subscribe and like, and it's gonna be a new video every day, guys. So yeah, and if you want me to make a design for you, if you want to make like a Steam Workshop thing for Unturned, you just contact me. My email address is down below in the comments. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video. I hope you like it. So yeah, goodbye.